beautiful day. Just got done getting this LS427 done. Has the blue block and everything. I believe it's meant to mimic the interior of a 56 BelAir. Looks absolutely gorgeous. If you have any questions about any of our builds, this one has a CVF kit on it. We can do March kits, we can do Concept 1 kits, anything your heart desires, we'll be happy to deliver. We also deliver that power that we always say. And have a great day, everybody. Thank you. Beautiful oil pressure, wheels are nice.